Hey, welcome back to Nosco Unpacked. I'm Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager, and today I am at Viking Masek's headquarters in Oostburg, Wisconsin. I'm joined by Mike Scritchfield from Viking Masek, and Mike, thanks for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
So, Mike, you know, Nosco has been a longtime partner with Viking and your customers for many years now, and we certainly understand how critical it is, right, to support the business on high quality, high yield film. What is Viking doing to ensure that they deliver what is needed for your customers?
Yeah, I mean, it all starts with the initial contact and trying to understand truly what the customer needs, like what the pain points are, and all the details surrounding what they're trying to achieve. We're not interested in selling just to sell. We really are looking to deliver final solutions that do what we say they're going to do and ultimately help our customers in a partnership fashion.
So, Mike, we just got done talking about the steps of kind of creating the proposal, generating the ideas, fitting the need for the customer. Now the customer has decided, yep, I'm moving forward with Viking. This is the solution that I need. What happens now?
Well, the first step is that we ring our gong because we secured a partnership. The next step is we actually assign a designated project manager, and we do a thorough review, a checks and balances or double check of everything that the salesperson engaged with prior to that. That person, that project manager, then follows the entire project all the way through to installation, training, and startup. They introduce the customer to our team, our service department, our parts department. They get everything scheduled and they coordinate, and then they send weekly updates. Some customers prefer phone. A lot of customers prefer just an email. Hey, this is where we're at with the project. So it's very hands-on, especially during the design review before we start cutting metal or fabricating anything. Customer gets a chance to, before the project is launched, kind of do call it one final sign-off before we start building their perfect solution.
What happens then? Customers ready to kind of take ownership of the equipment now?
Well, that's where I would argue is one of the most exciting parts of the project. We actually give the customer a chance to come here to our facility in Wisconsin, see the pride that goes into our craft, and they get to watch their machine during an internal checkout and FAT, make sure that it's doing what they signed up for it to do, and then we ship it out.
Hope you found this information insightful. If you did, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging made easy. We'll see you next time.